Hey guys, so a few times now I've had a request to do an updated what's in my bag video, but I've not actually changed my bag since the last time I did that video. I literally still have the same Killstar bag, which is this one. Just got like the tassels on the side and like a moon kind of print on the front. It's super dirty and old, I'm not gonna lie, and it has a big furry thing on one side, and then I've clipped this sparkly Victoria's Secret wristlet and a little planchette clip like onto the dangly bit on the side of it as well. But yeah, literally still the same bag. However, I don't think since that last video I've cleaned it out ever. It's literally so full and disgusting in here. So instead of doing a what's in my bag video, although that is kind of also what it's going to be, we're going to do like a cleaning out my bag video because there is too much stuff in here and it's gross and it's ridiculous. So I'm just going to embarrass myself and show you what is in here while we clean this bag out. So the first thing we have on top here is a ginormous box of Migraleave, because I get really bad migraines, and clearly one day I had a really bad migraine and just threw the whole entire big box in there. So that is the first thing that we have in there. Then I have my purse. Now, or wallet if you're from America, I know it's called different things. Now I did have the ghost one before, but I ended up selling that one and getting this Rob Zombie one. It's not my favourite. It's from Killstar, as you can see on the back here. I don't know, it was just in the sale. It was literally like £10 or something, a super cheap one. But I do love the Killstar purses. They are amazing quality and they last for years. I used the ghost one literally for like 3 years or something. So I'm gonna kind of hide anything that you can see in here, but has loads and loads and loads of card slots. So I've got like bank cards, driving license, Odeon card, NHS card, a million cards. These down here are my dog and my cats. Some of these have passed away now. These two boys aren't with us anymore, but this is Bella, this is Angel, and this is Bentley. And then on this side there is more cards, and then there is a zip pocket which I don't actually think has anything in it. Literally has like a few 5p's and 2p's and 1p's. So I don't really ever carry cash around, I just carry cards around, clearly. So that is my purse. It's so bad. Okay, so next we have a t-shirt, apparently. Not a clue why this is in here. It's like a Ouija t-shirt. This came out of a box once, like a horror subscription box, but why it's in my bag, I don't know. Then we have tissues, like packs of single tissues. There's 2 packs in there so far. We have some Body Fantasies Vanilla Kiss like body spray. This stuff smells amazing and it's super cheap. If you're from England, you can buy this in like Superdrug and stuff, and oh my god, smells absolutely incredible. So a little mini one of those. Then we have an old like clip-on hand sanitizer from Bath and Body Works in America, and it has this super sparkly case on it, and this one is Limoncello. Pocket back. I'm pretty sure it's empty, which is why I've taken it off like the clip thing to refill it and just haven't done, but there is that. Then we have, everything in here is so dirty, by the way. I'm gonna get like some baby wipes so I can clean stuff as I take it out because it's disgusting. So most of this stuff I'm gonna throw away and not put back in the bag, by the way, but I just thought I'd show you what is in my bag while I clean it. So we have some pineapple coconut breath spray. This is from Primark and it's absolutely disgusting. When it said pineapple coconut, I thought it would taste like a pina colada, but because it's breath spray, it also has mint in it, so it's like mint and pineapple and coconut, and it's awful. So I don't think that's ever been used. We have more tissues because clearly 2 packets isn't enough. So that's the 3rd packet of them. Everything is so like hairy and dusty in here. I don't know why. It's gross though. Okay. Then we have a strap for my Apple Watch, the like baby pink one that's super gross and dirty, because I changed it for a black one, I think. Yeah, changed it for a black one, so that is the old one. Then I have from winter some Killstar gloves. I've got one glove here, I'm not sure where. Oh, there it is. Okay, so we have these Killstar gloves. Then we have some mints, compliments, sugar-free spearmints in a little tin. We have these instant knockout high impact muscle definition like fat burner kind of things. Basically you were supposed to have like one before every meal to help you lose weight. Didn't work for me. They were super expensive. Do not recommend. I did it for I think a few weeks and literally nothing happened. They just didn't make me feel very well. They made me feel a bit like dizzy and stuff, so that is why half those are left, so they're probably going to go in the bin. We have a pen. We have I don't know why, but we have some tattoo numbing cream, TKTX. This stuff is really good, as long as you get the genuine one. There is like fake ones of this on eBay, so you have to make sure it's the real one. But this stuff is amazing. If you put a big thick layer on with cling film over the top of it and leave it for like 3 hours before you get a tattoo, you will not feel a thing. So I don't always use this, but I thought I'd give it a try and it was amazing, so I might just use it all the time now, because why would you want pain if you can just feel nothing? I don't really understand, but there we go. Then next we have a nail varnish from like 2 Halloweens ago. This is a Revolution one, I believe, I'm not sure. It's like a little skull with a red glittery polish in there, and it's in the colour Bloodthirsty. I don't think I've ever used this. I must have put it in my bag to like do my nails one day and then just forgot about it, so there is that. Then we have 2 packets from the old pink parcels that I used to get. I do still use these little baggies, so these have like pads and tampons and stuff in, so they're not, you know, just free in my bag. They're in little holders. Not sure why I've got 2 in there, but there we go. Then I've got this little weird, like, what even is this? I think I don't really know what this is. It's got lots of leads on it. It's like a little block, and there's a USB. Oh, it's a charger. Okay, so like say you're at a computer, you would plug that into the USB port and then you can like charge an iPhone, or that looks like a Nintendo Switch charger. Yeah, other little chargers on there. It's pretty handy. I got this from work, so it's got some weird finance company written on it, but there we go, there is that. Then I have this, a Mud Masky sleep repair mask. I don't use face masks, we get in boxes, so I must have been taking this to give someone at work and they never ended up with it, which is why it's still in my bag. And then I have this little box which says Lash Addict on it, and it has, oh no, okay, it has no lashes in there, but it has a mirror, so basically you're supposed to put eyelashes in here and then, you know, keep them neat in a little box. So that's cute, but I don't know why it's no lashes in it. Then there's some little pockets on the side, so in those we have some lipstick. This is a Revlon Skyline Pink lipstick. Just a very like wearable everyday kind of colour. Some lash glue, House of Lashes lash glue. It looks old. Oh, okay, there's quite a lot still in there, so there is that. And then there is another pocket. There's nothing in the other pocket. There is some random dirt and like a 20p with some hairs on it. There is a box of Buscopan because me and one of the other girls at work kept getting really bad stomach aches, so I bought some Buscopan for us, which didn't really do anything, so that's why it's still in my bag. Then we have the little moon charm, which was on this bag but it broke off, so clearly I found it and just put it back in my bag. I need to fix that at some point and kind of hang it back on here because it was really cute. But there's that. There's a receipt in here. Let's see what this was for. Oh, it doesn't say. What's this? Okay, so I bought some shaving gel, some salsa, some pickled onions, and some sea salt rice crackers. Ooh, that was a healthy kind of shop, so there we go. Then there's another little mini pocket, and here is a lot of gross stuff again. There is some painkillers, there's one hay fever tablet, which I was looking for the other day, so I'm going to keep that there. There is, oh my god, what a dirty mess this is. There's a tiny soap, which is a beauty blender, like a mini beauty blender cleaner that's come out of the packet and melted everywhere, which is disgusting. Can you put bags in the wash? I might put this in the wash after. Ew. Oh my god, this is so gross. This is where the soap has melted on this like hair cleaner thing. You know, it's like a sticky roller that you get hair off your clothes with. There's bits of soap everywhere. Ew. Okay, so that's the main bit of the bag. Wow, I've never been so disgusted with myself, I don't think. Okay, then the back bit of my bag has some makeup in here because I don't know, I just throw makeup in here clearly. So I've got one of my favourite lipsticks in the whole entire world, which is Sugar Pill Dainty. So the box is really nasty, but this is what Dainty looks like. It's like just a really pale pinky kind of colour. Probably, I would say actually maybe my favourite lipstick ever. So there is that. I have a NYC matte liquid liner, which is my everyday proper like eyeliner. I have a mini Medusa's Makeup Witch Lash black mascara. I have a really tiny old pencil eyeliner, which probably needs throwing away. I have a Kat Von D Lovecraft lipstick, studded lipstick, which looks like this. Didn't even know I owned this, so that's how old that is. I have a mini Jeffree Star doll parts. I have, oh my, like the star that I stamp on my eye here, this is like one of those eyeliner star stamps. Again, a really disgusting old one, which is going in the bin. Some tattoo cream stuff called Strong Rock Aftercare Ointment. Again, must have had a tattoo and wanted to put some cream on it, so there is that in my bag. And then the last thing in here, which again is really disgusting and dirty and old, is this remote control, because my old car didn't have an aux lead thing to listen to music, so I had to like install this weird device, and this was the remote control for it, and I don't even have that car anymore, so that is literally how old that is. But yeah, thanks for watching anyway. I hope you enjoyed the video showing how absolutely disgusting I apparently am. I'm gonna go and clean this now and put half of it back in my bag and throw half of it away, and I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.